another fashion video. So in today's video, as y'all can tell by the title, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I made this. It was supposed to be a two-piece, but I turned it into like this one-piece jumpsuit. Y'all, I'm just so freaking proud of how this came out. This took me forever, okay? This project took me forever, but hey, practice gonna make perfect, okay? I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got this jumpsuit here going on, honey. If y'all want to see how I did this, then definitely continue watching this video. If you are new to my channel, then what's good? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and subscribe if you're new. Leave some comments down below, y'all. Let's get this video to 200 likes. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get right into this video. All right, y'all. So this is the fabric that I will be using. So freaking pretty, y'all. It's so stretchy, so I know it's gonna have the booty looking good, okay? So this is 4 yards from Walmart, y'all. I got this fabric from Walmart. It's 4 yards of fabric. It's also the stretchy material, so I'm so happy about that. So we're gonna be mixing and matching these two fabrics together, and it's gonna be so cute. Like the vision that I have in my head right now, yo, it's gonna be super dope. I'm actually gonna fold this in half. So you just wanna fold your fabric in half. Because we only need 2 pieces of this for the pants. So you always want to take something that you already have in your closet. So I'm going to take these pants that I already have. They're like some those bell bottom stretchy pants. So I'm going to take these pants and we're going to use this as a guide. And I'm just going to be folding these in half. So that's how much I'm going to cut. So let me bring y'all up closer. So you never want to cut directly on the line. You always want to leave a little inch or 2, maybe to 3 inches off. So that is what I'm going to be doing. So we're gonna take the black fabric and do the same thing. I'm gonna do the black fabric off camera because this fabric is like super, like it's a lot of fabric. So I'm gonna do that one off camera and I'm gonna come back to y'all when I'm done. All right, so we got both of these cut. So now we gotta cut the top. I wanna go ahead and cut all my pieces and get them out of the way. So I'm taking the rest of this fabric. And I think for the top, because the top is pretty much going to match the pants. So it's going to have that little scrunchy thing in the front that I want to do for the top as well. So I'm going to take a regular crop top that I have. Alright y'all, so everything is cut out, so all we gotta do now is sew. So what you're gonna do is, of course, you're gonna flip this fabric inside out, and you're just gonna sew around. You're just pretty much gonna sew the sides together, and then we're gonna go in and fold the sleeves in and sew that part. The bottom, we're just gonna fold in and sew that part, okay? Same thing, flip inside out. You're gonna take each one, you're gonna take a cheetah in the black, another cheetah in the black, and then you're gonna sew the sides down, inside out. I'm gonna show you guys that part once I get ready to sew. And then gonna show you how to sew the middle part as well. So yeah, because you're pretty much sewing the sides down And we're gonna do the waistband. We also need a waistband. I do have waistbands, so we're gonna do the waistband part last. And yeah, let's go ahead and get to sewing, honey. So this is why you always want to sew inside out when you're sewing your fabric, because you want your results to look like this. Now in the next few clips, in the next part, I'm going to show you guys that the section that we're not going to sew, which is the part that we have to cut out, which is the butt and the crouch area. We're not going to sew that part. We're only going to sew straight down. So I'm going to be showing you guys right here. This is the part that we're not going to sew yet. We're going to sew that part last, and we're just going to sew straight down the rest. Okay, let me show y'all something real quick. So to create that ruffled look, I did have to go in and sew a long piece of black fabric. Now you guys can't really see. I will be showing you what I'm talking about when I make the shirt, because the pants, it's just a little too, it takes a little time, but it's pretty much the same thing. So I'm gonna show y'all once I do the shirt what I'm talking about. But I pretty much had to just cut out a long piece of that's not it, a long piece, like a long piece, and pretty much I had to sew like on the side to give it that ruffle effect. So I had to sew it down. I had to sew it left, right, and down in the middle, and then we're gonna go in and put the string in last. I will be showing you guys that part, but I just want to show you guys that part real quick before I start on the other leg. And like I said, I will be showing y'all what I mean when I do the shirt, because it's pretty much the same type of step. So remember when I said we're going to sew that crouch and butt area? So that is what we're doing now. You pretty much same thing inside out. You want to connect that black part together, and you're going to connect that cheetah, you're going to connect the cheetah part together, and that is what you're going to sew. Now I'm going to show y'all what I was talking about, what I did with the pants. So I'm taking my crop top and I cut out a little piece that I will be sewing that in the inside of my shirt. So you only want to sew this on the front part only. So I'm going to be taking that little piece, and I'm pretty much going to be sewing straight down on both left and right sides, and then I'm going to be sewing straight down the middle. And in the next clip, you guys will see me take a string and a safety pin, and I'm pretty much just going to take the safety pin and take that string and put it inside of the loops. And this gives it that scrunchy look. And this pretty much is the same process, the same steps that I did for the pants. I did the pants off camera, y'all, because the pants took me forever, being that they are pants. But I'm just showing you guys a quicker and easy way. The same method I did with the shirt, I did the same with the pants, and that gave us our scrunchy look. And this is the completed outfit. If you guys like how this came out, definitely leave some comments down below. Let me know what you guys think of this. You know, rate it from 1 through 10. What do you guys rate this outfit? I definitely give myself a 7. I think I did really good. I really like how this came out. Looks really bomb. So don't forget to leave some comments down below, and don't forget to get this video to 200 likes. And you know, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And thank you guys for tuning in. Thanks for the love, and I will see y'all in my next video.